Hi guys, today I'm back with a little unboxing video for you. I won this car on a little game called Farmland. You can play it on Temu. I don't know, Temu, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not sponsored by them or affiliate, so I really don't know. Despite the package coming from China, it's a very good state. I've seen them worse. The box is only packed in a kind of bag, without some foam, without nothing. So I'm glad the delivery guy or girl was very kind with it and not throw it around. It's a good quality box with a little weight to it. As you can see, you can buy more cars, but of course I have to go for the Hachiroku. Why? Because Initial D, of course. Every car guy from my age grew up with Initial D, Fast and the Furious, Gran Turismo, Need for Speed, all those banging games and movies from earlier days. So of course I had to have the Hachiroku or the AE86. On first glance it looks okay. And yeah, I had to have the Panda Trueno. The box is coming with a little instruction manual. And yeah, of course some cones, a USB charger and some rubber tires. The transmitter is zip tied to the box. The car is held in place by little plastic plugs. Oh, real dust. So, let's get it out of the box. Let's see what we got. The body is really good. For that price, it even got little pop-ups. The transmitter is a little bit flimsy. But yeah, what can you expect for about 20 euros or $20? Not bad. It's really not bad looking at all. But I already see some potential to change it a little bit to my taste. Because, why not? And while you're here, please like, subscribe, comment or share. You help me a lot. And of course don't forget to turn on your notifications. The battery tray is held in place by a little screw. The battery is a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. It takes about 45 minutes to charge. So, I'm charged, let's see how it drives. My first impression? Not bad. It really slides okay, especially on this slippery surface. It's not fast by any means, but it's really controllable. Yeah, for such a cheap car. It's really not bad. I like it. I really like it. Just throw in the Euro beats and drive like Takumi.
No one's sleeping Tokyo. All night crossing the line. No one quit the radio. Tokyo is on fire.
Now I try it outside, but as you can see, it's not really built for outside, especially on this surface. It's really bouncy. It only got little springs on the front. In the back nothing, no suspension, nothing. But really, for this price, I keep saying it, it's just a little fun toy. I hope that you enjoyed my video. See you the next time. Please like, subscribe, comment or share. Bye bye.